son of a fucking bitch!
Tearing it down in this strategy, this Doe's strategy, which is going to hurt my constituents. Senator Tina Smith, nice to see you. Thank you for your time tonight. Appreciate it.
Damn, this dude is on my ass. Oh, he's got a... Oh! Oh, shit! I just got that on video. Oh, fuck! That was crazy! Holy shit! Holy fuck! Hold on, I'll pull over and I'll just show you.
Also, Strike Drone launch MQ-9s. MQ-9s are the Reaper drones. And you know, and obviously...
Holy shit!
Ох ты, ёпта. Приехали.
You know I hate to hurt you, I hate to see your pain, but I don't know how to stop, I don't know how to stop.
The style's like garbage cans meant to be taken out on a weekly basis. I sent you flush record, you put in state of suspended animation.
Watch where you're going!
You gotta go and get angry at all of my honest.
On base PS5, there were just like a couple of examples of like maybe like Final Fantasy 16 not running that well, or you know, Rebirth on performance mode looking kind of dingy. But outside of that, you know, I can't really say that I had that many issues with base PS5 in the first place. So.
Sugar with a lip ring.
Don't you need six-pack? No. I mean this 4-pack of the new Crazy Puffs from Little Caesars. They're 4 fun-sized puffs packed with cheese and pepperoni.
Oh, man.
Everyone's trying them.
What the fuck are you doing?
Sorry, Milano. These are Dunskies. Walking between 4 and 8 for your hot-ready favorites like $3.99 Crazy Puffs from Little Caesars. Pizza, pizza. Plus thanks for
What the fuck are you doing?
If you a bad bitch, better bring some friends. Like him, like him, like him, like him.
17 and then tries it in the other direction. Only this time, it doesn't stop at 0 and instead goes down to
Jesus!
-1. Right after this.
Oh my God!
Wow, dude. What the fuck?